Hello, future professionals. Today we're diving into the world of jobs. Those cool things grown-ups do all day. From teachers to pilots, every job has its own flair and funny moments. So let's explore these amazing careers and maybe find some laughs along the way.
A teacher is someone who teaches. My teacher is kind and always says I'm full of potential, which I think means I talk too much. Teachers are like superheroes with chalk. They make learning fun, even when it's math. A doctor is someone who helps sick people. The doctor gave me medicine, and now I feel much better, except for the taste of that syrup. Doctors are like detectives for your body. They figure out what's wrong and fix it. A nurse is a helper in a hospital. The nurse took my temperature and said I was hot, but only because I had a fever. Nurses are like the superheroes behind the scenes. They can do a million things at once and still smile. A police officer is someone who keeps order. The police officer helps people and always looks so cool in their uniform. They're like real-life action heroes, but instead of explosions, they use rules and kindness. A driver is someone who drives. The bus driver is friendly and always says, "Good morning," even when I'm half asleep. Drivers are like pilots of the road. They take us places, and sometimes they even wave at other drivers. A farmer is someone who grows crops. The farmer grows vegetables, but I'm still waiting for someone to invent a chocolate tree. Farmers are like magicians. They turn seeds into food, and they make the world delicious. A chef is someone who makes food. The chef works in a restaurant and makes the best spaghetti ever. Chefs are artists of the kitchen. They create tasty masterpieces, and their secret weapon is always butter. A pilot is someone who flies planes or helicopters. The pilot is in the cockpit and says, "Fasten your seatbelt, even when we're not moving." Pilots are like birds who went to school. They take us flying, but they never get feathers. A firefighter is someone who stops fires. The firefighter saved the house and even rescued a cat from a tree. Firefighters are like superheroes with hoses. They run into danger when everyone else runs away. An artist is someone who paints or draws. The artist painted a picture of a sunset, but I thought it was pizza at first. Artists are like magicians with brushes. They make the ordinary look extraordinary.
And that's a wrap on our job journey. From teachers shaping minds to firefighters saving the day, every job makes the world a little better. So, what do you want to be when you grow up? Whatever it is, I hope it comes with snacks and lots of laughs. See you next time.